Hi, I'm Julie Anglesey from Renovating Made Easy, and I want to talk to you about why thinking you need a cookie cutter formula so that you don't mess up your renovation is actually costing you money. The biggest mistake most people make is thinking that they need to follow a cookie cutter formula in their renovation so they don't mess it up. But nothing could be further from the truth. And I get it. Everyone tells you that you need to follow a proven cookie cutter formula that suits every house in every suburb in Australia. So it's easy to fall into that trap. But let me ask you, do people buying in St Kilda in Melbourne want the same colours and finishes as people buying in Surrey Hills in Sydney and people buying in Scarborough in Perth? No. And you could actually be losing money if you think that. So how do you create the most desirable house for buyers in your suburb? What you need to do is identify exactly who those target buyers are and give them what they want. Give them the floor coverings they want, give them the cooking appliances they want, give them the colours they want. For example, if your target buyers are Indian, make sure that your house is tiled, not carpeted, because they don't like their cooking aromas being absorbed into the carpets. If your target buyers are Chinese, give them gas cooking appliances because they don't like cooking on electric hot plates. And if your target buyers are busy professionals, make sure that you give them a calm colour scheme so that they feel a sanctuary when they get home and feel that there's a low maintenance lifestyle for them to be had. By doing this, those buyers will walk into your renovated property, fall in love with it and feel that it's absolutely perfect for them. They won't want to walk away, and in fact, they will want to pay more so that they don't miss out on it. So let me ask you, do you want to keep thinking that you need a cookie cutter formula to follow in your renovation and risk missing the mark and losing money? Or do you want to appeal directly to your target buyer in your suburb so that they walk into your renovated house, fall in love with it and pay more for it? If that's you, come and join the Flipping Houses in a Flat Market Facebook group and connect with the other people in there and learn a lot more about how to renovate for profit. I'll see you on the inside.